Hello, this is Benjamin with OpenFirepitCooking.com, and today we'll be cooking up some clay pot rice. So, the rice that I use is a wild mix that we mix ourselves. We grab a bunch of different grains that we want to use, and we mix our own wild grain. And then today, the clay pot that we will be using is a clay pot rice cooker. It's got 3 parts, and it acts kind of like a pressure cooker cooking the rice. This particular pot, I don't know if you can see it in here, but it's got 2 lines. One line is for the grain and one line is for the water. So I already pre-measured it, and I got my rice soaking, and I got my fire ready. So we're going to make up this rice. So we got our rice in there, we got the water up to the water mark. And then one other thing that I like to do is I like to stick some butter in there. So I'm just going to grab a little slab of butter and throw it in there. And we'll throw it on the fire. So we're going to let that heat up until we start seeing steam come out. And then once we start to get seeing steam come out, we're going to set our timer to 12 minutes. So we'll be back when it starts steaming. Thank you for stopping by. OpenFirepitCooking.com. This is Benjamin. Okay, this is Benjamin again with OpenFirepitCooking.com. And as you can see, our clay pot has started to steam. So I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Thank you for stopping by. OpenFirepitCooking.com. This is Benjamin. So welcome back. We're here. Our timer's about to go off. I'm going to grab my leather gloves, and we're going to take this pot of rice off once this timer hits. And then once we take it off, we're going to have to let it cool for about 10 minutes, and that'll let everything balance out in there and the rice to be perfect. So okay, we're good to go. So I'm just going to take this off, move it out of the way, and we'll be back. We'll show you once it's on a plate. So thank you for stopping by. OpenFirepitCooking.com, and this is Benjamin. And we're going to check on our rice. So our rice was off sitting for 10 minutes. I just put it back on the grill to keep it warm until we're ready with the other ingredients. So I'll put it over here and see what it looks like. So I don't know if you remember, but we put some butter in there. Oh, look at that. So I'm just going to fluff it up. When you cook in these pots, I mean, it tastes amazing, and it gets really nice and fluffy. So, oh my God, it smells good too. And I love putting that butter in there. That just adds a whole nother flavor to it. So, let's see how this looks real quick. So that's how you cook rice in a clay pot outdoors. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try this for yourself. Once again, thank you for stopping by OpenFirepitCooking.com. This is Benjamin.